The tundra's wide and flat. It's got a lot of snow. It's at the top and bottom of Earth, and that's a long way to go. There are 3 types of forest: coniferous, temperate, and rain. With lots of trees and animals, they cover a lot of terrain. The deserts and the grasslands are also wide and flat. The deserts are made of rock and sand, and grasslands are all grass. The rest of the earth is water, and that's why our planet looks blue. With oceans, rivers, lakes, and seas, the aquatic biome is huge. The earth has many biomes that make up all we see. Each biome is full of plants and life, the world for you and me.